What's going on, guys? Today we have the Jordan 1 Mid SEs. Now this one, as you can tell from the box, is a women's release. It is in my size. Now these are sneakers themselves, and as you can see, the colorway it resembles the Jordan 1 Black Toe. The colors are similar but not the same. This one's more orange pink, like orange than red in my eyes. At certain angles it does look like red on the camera, but it's not. Yeah, Nike's calling it crimson. Well, I mean, at certain angles it will look like red, but yeah, quality wise the materials are brilliant. I do love the leather. The leather is very soft, very high quality. And then the other materials are, you got this nylon material with a sort of a grid pattern on the side and on the toe box. And you got the crimson, the Jumpman logo as well, which does look nice. But yeah, I mean, it's a mid, you know, I mean, people do hate on mids, but it is what it is. I mean, I don't understand, you know, it's still a Jordan 1, it's still the same sort of colorways that you get, if not better sometimes, as we saw in the past. Like the dark chocolates, the quality on those was exceptional. It was incredible. It was amazing. Yeah, people just want to hate on them. They're cheaper, they're more accessible. We can get mids. You got more of a chance to get mids on the best colorway mids than you have on any Jordan 1 high. Or low for that matter, man. I mean, lows are selling out quick as well now. I'm starting to like mids, man. I mean, I am getting into them now. The dark chocolates, man. I mean, there was something else. But yeah, enough of that. Let's carry on with the on-feed. Now, on-feed, again, it's not the most comfortable shoe by any means, but as I said, it is a Jordan 1. It is a mid, and if you bought one high or the low, you'll know exactly what these are like. Now, crease wise, you'd think the material would be crease resistant. I'm not gonna say proof, but definitely resistant. But it's not. It doesn't seem to be. I have noticed a crease within just seconds. I'm not sure why that is, but yeah, gotta be careful. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next one.